Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Mike Hurd.
Well, this weekend's weather pattern is going to be made up of three factors. One will be cold Arctic air already diving down into Montana. Second will be this area low pressure that's going to be moving in from the west. That's going to help increase some snow. But thirdly, this low pressure system, as it dives down into central California, it gets farther and farther away, but it will bring in a warm, moist air mass coming up by the southwest, overrunning the Arctic air that's sitting over Montana, and that is a pattern that could bring some moderate to heavy snow across parts of southwest Montana. The worst of it here highlighted in areas in pink. That's for central and northern Montana. Winter storm warnings are out now through Sunday evening. Moderate to heavy snow, blowing and drifting snow, wind chill values, extremely cold at times, and that includes Yellowstone National Park. Now, as you look at southwest Montana, east of the divide, we're under a winter weather advisory. We'll see some moderate snow for valleys, heavier snows over mountains and passes, some localized blowing and drifting. That starts tomorrow morning, goes through the entire day on Sunday. So let's take a look at the big picture view. And again, we've got this first low moving in tonight, tomorrow. That's going to help enhance the snow across northern and central Montana as the cold air is moving in on top of us. But we'll watch this low again spin down the coast, and this will start to bring in bands of moisture in a southwesterly flow. And you get right underneath some of these bands. There's going to be some very heavy snowfall Saturday afternoon, evening, and into Sunday. Then it falls apart a little bit into Monday morning, but still some limited moisture still dancing around the region first thing on Monday. So let's get more specific on snowfall totals. Here's a statewide snowfall graphic, and you can see the snow will be in that 6 to 8 to plus range across the High Line, 2 to 4 inches between Helena, White Sulphur Springs, and Butte. Bozeman could see some moderate snow, but West Yellowstone, you're right underneath that band of moderate snowfall activity throughout the entire weekend. Now, if that area of moderate snow veers one way or the other, this heavy banding could be pushing closer towards Dillon and Butte, or it could be pushing closer towards Bozeman and Billings. But right now, models are saying it's going to be right over Big Sky, Livingston, Bozeman, and West Yellowstone. So be prepared for some moderate to heavy snow at times as we go through the weekend. Right now at Butte, you're sitting under cloudy skies, pretty brisk winds out of the east, northeast through a better part of the day, and 30 was your high temperature for today. Bozeman, a lot of cold air moving into the valley, stiff easterly winds adding that cooling effect. We're sitting at 24 degrees right now, and it's pretty chilly here this evening with some light snow. So temperatures are in the 30s and 20s here locally, but again, the farther north you go, look how much colder it is. It's only in the teens right now in and around Cut Bank. So mostly cloudy, scattered snow, stiff easterly winds. I got teens and 20s here for overnight lows tomorrow. We'll expect to warm up in the 20s to very low 30s. But look at Helena at 16 degrees versus 35 in Dillon. So again, the farther north you go, you're running right into that Arctic air. Teens and 20s as you look towards the south, and again some stiff easterly winds and scattered snow showers. And tomorrow this area will see a better chance for measurable snow, and the farther south you go, the warmer the highs, the farther north, the colder the highs throughout the day for tomorrow. And again, that wind's going to create some bitter wind chills at times. So as you look at the extended forecast for Bozeman, the last weekend of winter is going to feel just like that. We got snow and wind in the forecast, but we're starting to come out of it by Monday afternoon, and a huge improvement by Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures jump right back up in the low to mid 40s for the Bozeman area. Butte, 20s and 30s this weekend, good chance for snow and wind, and again, cold wind chills, but we'll rebound pretty quickly back into the low 40 range with drier weather for St. Patrick's Day. Dillon, a chance for snow and wind as well. 30s for highs this weekend, but mid to upper 40s are possible by Tuesday and Wednesday, and moderate to heavy snow for West Yellowstone Saturday, Sunday into Monday. Could pick up some rain mixing with snow with some warmer air by the time we get into Wednesday and Thursday of next week.
Well, Mike just said the temperatures will rebound. You've been watching some rebounding shots today, huh?
All morning at the Class AA State Tournament. Butte and Bozeman in action in the consolation bracket. We'll have the highlights coming up next.